A very good morning, class 10. So, today we are going to start a new exercise, exercise 24B. In last class, I have solved exercise 24A, okay, where I have taught you how to solve the question by direct method, how to find the mean by direct method. So, here in this exercise also, I will teach you how to find, okay, the mean by direct method only. But here the question is little different, okay. Here it is given in the form of class interval, and in exercise 24 a question is in this form, okay, and here the question is given in class interval. So what we have to do is we have to find the mean value here, okay. Age is given in class interval, frequency is given, third column is f into x, okay. So we have to find the mean value of 16 and 18, mean value of 18 and 20, 20 and 22. So how to find the mean value? To find the mean value, this is called the lower limit and this is called the upper limit. You have to add this lower limit and upper limit, then divide it by 2. So formula is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 16 plus 18 divided by 2 is 17. 18 plus 20, 38 divided by 2 is 19. 20 plus 22, 42 divided by 2 is 21. 22 plus 24, 46 divided by 2, 23. 24 plus 26, 50 divided by 2, 25. This is the value of x. Now the process is same like last class, okay. You have to find your f into x. Mean value is x and the number of students. The second column given in question is your frequency, okay. So we have to find f into x. 17 into 2, 34. 19 into 7, 133. 21 into 21, 441. 23 into 17, 391. 25 into 3, 75. Now you have to find summation f, which is 50, and summation fx, 1074. Because it is already mentioned of 50 students, so summation f is 50 only. Now we have to find mean. Now formula for mean is summation fx by summation f. So summation fx is 1074 divided by summation f is 50. Okay, you cancel it, you will get answer 21.48 years. So mean age is 21.48 years. So this is direct method, okay. If the question is like this, okay, the process is this. Only one column you have to add. Now we will start shortcut method. So question number 3 we will solve by shortcut method. Step deviation I will teach you afterwards. First I will teach you shortcut method, okay. Question is this one, okay. You have to first copy the question. Then here, okay, process is same till here like direct method, only marks, no, you have to find the mean value and frequency is given. These two columns are already given in question. You have to find the mean value. In direct method here is f into x, okay, but this is shortcut method. One more columns will be added here, which is d. D is deviation, okay, deviation from the mean value. And am, what is x minus am? The value of d is x minus am. X is this one. No, for this line x is 35, for this line x is 14. Then what is am? Am means assumed mean. Now here, no, from this value you will get the mean, no. So you have to assume it, okay. So you have to take the value which is exactly in the middle, okay. So 65 is your, so this is assumed mean. So whatever answer you will get, that answer will be nearest to 65, okay. This is our assuming. We have assumed that this is mean of this question, okay. So here the formula is d is equal to x minus m. Only this extra column you have to add here in shortcut method. So x is 35, 35 minus 65, minus 30, 45 minus 65, minus 20, 55 minus 65, minus 10, 65 minus 65, 0, then 75 minus 65, 10, 85 minus 65, 20, and 95 minus 65 is 30. So here you will get 0, above it, okay, you will get negative values, and below you will get positive value. So here is f into d. So f is 10, d is minus 30, 300, 12 into minus 20, minus 240, 14 into minus 10, minus 140, 12 into 0, 0, 9 into 10, 90, 7 into 12, 140, 6 into 30, 180. So we have to find summation f and summation fd. So summation f, if you add all the values, you get 70. But here we have negative values and positive values. So you add only negative value, it will be minus 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 680. Negative value, and positive value is your 410. 410. Now this is negative, this is positive, so opposite sign will be subtracted here. Okay, so you will get minus 270. Summation FD is minus 270. Now formula to find mean by shortcut method is AM plus summation FD by summation F. So AM, assume mean is 65 plus summation FD is minus 270 and summation F is 70. 0, 0 cancel. So do not take LCM here. Okay, you divide 27 by 7. It will be 3.85. Plus into minus, minus. Now you have to subtract. 65 minus 3.85. 0.00. You have to borrow 1. Here it will be 9, 1. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 8, 1.16. 61.15. So this is mean. Now next we will solve question number 10. Okay, this is ICSE 2014 question. You have to solve this question by shortcut method. So in shortcut method, first you have to copy this marks here. Okay, you have to make one column for mid value. Then you have to copy this frequency 2, 6, 10, 12, 9, 7 and 4. Okay, then we have to find the mid value of 11 and 20. 11 plus 20 is 21. 11 plus 20 is 31. 31 by 2 is 15.5. 21 plus 30, 51 divided by 2, 25.5. 31 plus 40, 71 divided by 2, 35.5. 41 plus 50 is 91 divided by 2 is 45.5. 51 plus 60, it is 111 divided by 2, 55.5. 61 plus 70, it is 131 divided by 2, 65.5. 71 plus 80, it is 151 divided by 2, 75.5. Okay, now we have to make column for D. D means X minus AM. So assume mean. Okay, here you have to assume mean. This one is in the middle. Okay, so you have to take this as assume mean. Then process is same. X minus AM, 15.5 minus 45.5, minus 30, 25.5 minus 45.5, minus 20, 35.5 minus 45.5, minus 10, 45.5 minus 45.5, 0, 55.5 minus 45.5, 10, then 65.5 minus 45.5, 20, 75.5 minus 45.5, 30. Okay, if you get this value, no, minus 30 minus 20, here is a gap of 10, right? 10, so you can directly write it 10, 20, 30 here also. Okay, if you write 2, 3 values, now you will come to know what will be the next, like 15.5, 25.5, 35.5. that means here is a gap of 10, right? So no need to calculate, you have to save time, no? So then comes 45.5, 55.5, 65.5, 75.5. Similarly here also, after getting 2 values, you will come to know minus 30, minus 20, then minus 10 will come, then 0 will come, 10, 20, 30. Now F into D. 2 into minus 30, minus 60, 6 into minus 20, minus 120, 10 into minus 10, minus 100, 12 into 0, 0, 9 into 10, 90, 7 into 20, 140, 4 into 30, 120. So you have to find summation F50 and summation FD. First you have to add this negative value, add positive value, then subtract them. This is 70. Okay, now we will apply formula to find mean. AM plus summation FD by summation F. So AM is 45.5 plus FD is 70 and summation F is 50. So cancel 0, 0. Now divide 7 by 5. It is 1.4. So 45.5 plus 1.4. 9.64, 46.9. This is your mean by shortcut method. Now I will teach you step deviation method. This question number 3 we have solved by shortcut method. We have to solve by step deviation method also. Okay, now I will teach you step deviation method. In shortcut method and step deviation method, this is question number 3. Okay, till here it is same like shortcut method only. Marks is given, mid value, frequency, D you can find. Now one more column will be added here, that is T. T is D divided by I. D is this one. I means length of class interval. So length of class interval is here, you have to see 30 to 40. Here is a gap of 10. Okay, so 40 to 50 gap of 10. So class interval is 10 here. I is class interval. So you know how to find D, no? By shortcut method also. Till here you know. Shortcut method and step deviation, till here it's same. Only one column you have to add, that is T. Okay, D divided by I. So the value of D will be divided by 10, class interval. Minus 30 by 10 minus 3, minus 20 by 10 minus 2, minus 10 by 10 minus 1, 0 by 10 0, 10 by 10 1, 20 by 10 2, 30 by 10 3. Now we have to find summation F. This is same, but here you have to find summation FT also. First we will find F into T. F into T. F is here, T is here. So 10 into minus 3 minus 30, 12 into minus 2 minus 24, 14 into minus 1 minus 14, 12 into 0 0, 9 into 1 9, 7 into 2 14, 6 into 3 18. We will find summation FT. Here you add negative values and here positive value. Now subtract. Okay, this is minus 27. Now your formula is little different. For mean, AM plus summation FT by summation F into I. In shortcut it was AM plus summation FT by summation F, but here it is summation FT by summation F into I. Assume mean is 65, FT summation FT is minus 27, summation F is 70 into 10. So plus into minus minus, you cancel this. 27 by 7 is 3.85. So 65 minus 3.85 is 61.15. So same value we got in shortcut method also. Okay. Now one more question we will do. Question number 4 by step deviation method. You have to copy your class interval and frequency given in question. Then we have to find mid value. Okay. Mid value of 63 and 70. Add this, then divided by 2. Okay. You'll get the mid value. Then D you know how to find. Now we have to find T. One column will be added here, T, D divided by I. So here the class length of class 63 to 70. 70 minus 63 is 7. 77 minus 70 is 7. That means here the length of class interval is 7. So divided by 7. D will be divided by 7. Okay. So here 66.5 minus 87.5 is minus 21. Then 73.5 minus 87.5 minus 14. Here the class length is 7. No? So here also you will get the gap of 7. Here also you will get gap of 7. Okay. For that you have to practice 2-3 times, you will understand. Okay. Without calculation also you can solve. If you find 2-3 values, for remaining values you don't have to do calculation. 7, 0, 7, 14, 21 you will get. Then divided by 7. 21 divided by 7 minus 3, 14 divided by 7 2, 7 divided by 7 1, 7 divided by 7 1, 2 and here 3. So you have to find F into T. Okay. Then you have to add negative values, your positive values, then subtract them, you will get 29. Now you have to find summation F also. AM plus summation FT by summation F into I. So here just put the value, then you multiply this to divided by 150. Don't take LCM. It will be too complicated. Okay. You divide this 203 by 150, which is 1.35. So add these two values. It will be 88.85. 87.5, 1.35. Here add 0 plus 5, 8.88. 88.85. So remaining question you try to solve by step deviation and shortcut method. Okay. Now we will solve question number 5. The mean of the following frequency distribution is 21, 1 by 7. Find the value of F. So your mean is given, no, and your method is not mentioned. You can use any method. So better we will use direct method, which is very easy. Okay. So you have to copy this first. Here I have mentioned I am using direct method. Okay, class interval, mid value, frequency, f into x. No, in direct method. So first is, you know how to find mid value, then frequency is given, you find f into x. Then next is you have to find summation f and summation fx. F can't be added, so you have to write here plus f, and 35f you have to write here. Then your mean is given. Okay, you convert this improper fraction into, mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then use formula of mean, summation fx by summation f. Summation fx is this one, 1235 plus 35f, and summation f is 63 plus f is equal to 148 by 7. Do cross multiplication. So after doing cross multiplication, you keep f one side, number other side. So you'll get f is equal to 7. Now question number 9 is, the mean of the following distribution is 62.8 and the sum of all the frequencies, means summation f is given 50. Find the missing frequencies f1 and f2. So here two frequencies are unknown. So we will get two equations, simultaneous linear equations we have to solve. So the process is same. You have to write class, mid value, frequency, f into x. Okay. Then find frequency, summation f and summation fx. So according to first condition, summation f is given 50. So according to our calculation, this is summation f is equal to 50. So f1 plus f2 is 50 minus 30, 20. Now next mean is given. Okay, mean is 62.8. Formula you know, summation fx by summation f, 628 by 10. So you cancel it, you will get 314 by 5. Then you can cancel this 5 and 10 also, 5 and 50 also, 5 tens are 50. Now do cross multiplication. So after doing cross multiplication, you keep f1 and f2 one side and number other side. Here you will get equation 2. Now we will solve equation 1 and equation 2. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So let's cancel f1 first. So we have to multiply this equation 1 by 3. So 3f1 plus 3f2 is equal to 60. Here 3f1 plus 7f2 is equal to 108. So change sign so that 3f1 will be cancelled out. So 3f2 minus 7f2 is minus 4f2 is equal to minus 48. Minus minus cancel. f2 is 48 divided by 4, 12. f2 is 12. Put this value in equation 1. f2 plus 12 is equal to 20 because f2 is 12. No, so f1 plus 12 is 20. So f1 is 20 minus 12 is 8. So the value of f1 is 8 and f2 is 12. So we have solved the question by direct, shortcut and step deviation method, and you have learned how to find the unknown variable. Okay, if the mean and sum of frequency is given. No, you have learned how to find only one variable, how to find two variables. So in next class I will teach you how to find the median.